What's up, everyone's DreamWorks Who's Australia here. Today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray for Nutty 2, Nutty by Nation. Got this at JB, but no, off-white. Even if it's not DreamWorks or non-illumination, I'm just doing it here. That's the only one that has a preview on Illumination DVD that isn't DreamWorks that I want on Illumination that I'm putting on the DreamWorks. And yeah, I got it on Blu-ray just with some special features in the front, spine, and the back. A nutty adventure for the whole family. This is a tin box movie coached by Goldstream Pictures. You know that? Yeah, it's actually for Pictures and Red Rover and Goldstream. So I will do the opening for you on this side, so I'm doing here because I want it on this side. Go, this up, there's a disc, it's not artwork, it's just standard. I knew it's got the, you got, wait a second, you got, silver up, with green text, and I enjoyed my Blu-ray unboxing and Nut Job 2, Nutty by Nature. Bye. Thumbs up. No thumbs up. Good day, mates.